Everybody, welcome back. Okay, we got another short video this week. When I bought my new Sony camera and registered it, it gave you the opportunity to score some free stuff, and I got the Cuff camera wrist strap by Peak Design. So let's go ahead and pop this bad boy open and see what we get in there. Okay, so we get the actual wrist strap itself. So we got some leather here on the front, some pretty good stitching. A little magnetic square, more on that in a little bit. This is completely adjustable, and the strap itself is, really thick material there. Then down at the bottom you have, if you've ever seen Peak Designs or have a Peak Design, it's that same system where it can just separate and then pop back on there. So obviously this part goes on your camera and the other part here goes on your wrist. So one of the things that's kind of unique about this wrist strap, so wrist straps are just that. You put it on your camera, you got a little extra point of security if you drop your camera or something, it's not going to hit the ground, or if you're worried about somebody snatching your camera while you're using it, it's there. So usually I'll use one of these or a neck strap, or as you've seen most of the time I just have it clipped on my bag. Now the only disadvantage of having it clipped on my bag is when I take it off, then there's no protection if I drop that bad boy. It's going all the way down to the ground because I do not have cat-like reflexes. But the thing with the wrist straps is like it's always there, or it's always dangling from your camera. One thing that's unique about this one is that with that magnetic strip that we looked at earlier, it'll actually clip onto the holder itself, and then you can kind of just adjust this so it'll kind of hang out as a bracelet. I loosen that up a little bit so I can. So once I do that, now I have it stored whenever I'm not using my camera. If you've never seen a wrist strap in action, so like I said, this part here will go on your camera. I already have a Peak Design neck cord, so I've already got those attached to my camera, so that's where your normal neck strap would go on your camera. I'll just clip this in place. And now I can take pictures, and I've got another point of security. So if it was to drop out of my hand, it's still going to be hanging out there. Or if I'm taking pictures and somebody tries to snag my camera, it's still attached to me. So now I can, normally it's mounted here in my bag. I could take it off, grab my wrist strap, take my pictures, push and slide, hang it back, turn this into a bracelet. Try to see if I could be cool, but I can't. And then go about my day with nothing dangling. Let's see what else we get in there. Okay, so this is just to replace what you currently have. If you don't have like a key style ring on your camera, you'll have that, so you can put that on there. Then you have an additional little anchor there, and hey, read this. So again, I'll try to find this online, so that way I can get you a price for it or put a link for it down in the description box. But when I bought my Sony camera, if you registered, you could choose a gift, and this is the gift that I chose. So So yeah, any questions about that, please drop that down in the comment section below. I'll answer it to the best of my abilities. And as usual, if there's anything you'd like to see us review on this channel, please put that down in the comment section below. I'll try to get my hands on it. If there is something that you want reviewed, please put down if there's anything in particular that you want me to test on it, so that way I can try to get that done during the video. Other than that, we'll see you next time. Bye.